Now viewers, Bangladesh's Jamaat-e-Islami has extended its support to the ongoing CJP protest in India. Rumi is joining us, my colleague, and Renik Datta is also joining us. Rumi, I want to start with you now. A peaceful protest of students is being held hostage to some vested interests, and that's what we are seeing with Jamaat-e-Islami now supporting CJP.
साथ बांग्लादेश में जिस तरीके से शेख हसीना के खिलाफ में स्टूडेंट यूनियन एकता मोर्चा जिस तरीके से प्रोटेस्ट देखने को मिला था, उसी को एक तरफ सिमिलर देखने को मिल रहा है। उसी को देखते हुए एक बात हो चुका है कि जमाते इस्लाम जैसे जो संगठन है, जो निजी संगठन है, उनके तरफ से सपोर्ट जो है वो किसी को दिया जा रहा है। ऐसा सूत्रों के हवाले से खबर मिल रहा है। सूत्रों के हवाले से ये भी खबर है कि जिस तरीके से बांग्लादेश में जो मॉडल का इस्तेमाल किया गया था जमात इस्लाम की तरफ से, अभी कांग्रेस जनता पार्टी को सामने रखते हुए वो स्टूडेंट का जो मॉडल, वो स्टूडेंट प्रोटेस्ट का मॉडल है, अभी इंडिया में काबिल करने का कोशिश जो है वो जमात इस्लाम की तरफ से किया जा सकता है, जिससे कांग्रेस जनता पार्टी को बैक सपोर्ट जो है वो जमात इस्लाम की तरफ से दिया जा सकता है। ऐसा ही सूत्रों के हवाले से खबर मिल रहा है।
जी रेनिक बने रहे हमारे साथ। रूमी इज ऑल्सो देयर फ्रॉम द न्यूज रूम। रूमी, आई बिलीव वीव एक्सेस्ड द डॉक्यूमेंट टू गिव अस मोर डिटेल्स ऑफ दैट.
Yes, Kriti, we have accessed the letter issued by the Jamaat-e-Islami, and I'll read it out for your viewers as well. It says that on behalf of Bangladesh Jamaat-e-Islami, we express our full unconditional solidarity with the ongoing student movement in India. They're saying that their courageous struggle for justice, education, rights and human dignity has deeply touched the Jamaat-e-Islami's hearts and inspired millions. This student movement in India has become a powerful symbol of resistance against what they are terming as oppression. Remember, Kriti, they were also the ones who started this nationwide protests in Dhaka, completely changing the whole scenario of the country. They're also stating that the CJP is a beacon of youth rights across the subcontinent, and that they strongly condemn any repression, violence or injustice, quote unquote, faced by the protesting students. The Jamaat-e-Islami is also saying that in the glorious history of Islamic movements, students have always been at the forefront of the struggle for truth and justice. But I'd like to shed some light on more information, Kriti. Jamaat-e-Islami and its student wing, the Islami Chhatra Shibir, backed the anti-quota and subsequent anti-government protests, framing the movement as a popular uprising against an authoritarian and fascist regime. Remember, Sheikh Hasina was forced to flee her own country, the former Prime Minister of Bangladesh. They, in fact, when Sheikh Hasina's administration accused the Jamaat and its affiliates of orchestrating and inciting the extreme violence and sabotage during the protests, their party leaders vehemently denied all the charges, of course, rejecting the blames and denying the truth, calling the accusation a pretext to suppress a legitimate student movement. But we have seen those videos, we've seen what all transpired, we've seen the extent of it, and we know that it was definitely not a student movement. So the Jamaat-e-Islami now pitching in its 2 cents on the Congress Janata Party protests, and you know, supporting it in a way is, yes, very interesting of a development to know that.
It's worrisome to say the least, Rumi, but thank you very much for joining us. And viewers, with that note, let's take a very quick break. We'll be right back. Stay tuned.